So, looking at how you guys have combined wins and the most wins ever in one year between male and female basketball, what does that say about your program's this direction? I mean, because you win, she's winning.
Yeah.
That's unprecedented in the A-10. I don't think I've seen both men and female teams or women teams being at the same place. She went to the NCAA tournament. You went to the NIT. But again, you got 47 wins in 2 years.
Yeah, I think it's first of all, shout out to Vanessa Blair Lewis and her program. She's been phenomenal. Even when I got the job, just having conversations with her, I knew right away how competitive she was. But, again, as an alum, as somebody that kind of knows George Mason's history and the success that we've had, it is unprecedented times that we're winning, she's winning. But I think it also shows leadership from the top. We're not successful if Dr. Washington, our leader, hasn't supported us. We're not successful if, Marvin Lewis hasn't made certain decisions that have just elevated both programs. And so as great as it feels to be, the head coach at George Mason, that success is coming from the top, and our leadership has been phenomenal in supporting us, especially in a landscape where you got to make these tough decisions.